everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to complete your MBA from such college कि जिसकी 2 साल की फीस सिर्फ 2 लाख रुपीस है and the average placement salary offered with this college is nearly up to 34 lakhs per annum and it gives maximum weightage to the CAT score and gives very less weightage to your academics. The name of that college is FMS, Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi.
So FMS offers many programs, like first is the MBA, Masters of Business Administration, which is 2 years full-time program. Then it offers the Executive MBA program, Executive MBA in Healthcare Administration, and it also offers the doctoral programs.
So with this video, we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria, selection criteria and the shortlisting criteria
About the flagship program of FMS, which is a 2-year full-time MBA program. Coming to the eligibility criteria of FMS, so if you are looking for the 2 years of MBA course in FMS, then there are 3 conditions. First is your 12 year of school education should be completed. Second is you must have a bachelor's degree and you should have minimum 50% in graduation. And for the category students, this criteria is of 45% in graduation. Third condition is if you are in final year of your graduation, then also you can apply for this college. Means जब आप CAT exam attempt कर रहे हो, so at that time you must be in final year. Then whenever you are applying for FMS और अगर आपके 50% नहीं है, then also it is okay. The condition is जब आपका final year complete हो जाए, at that time your percentage should be 50% in graduation. Coming to the seats and cutoffs. So from the last year data, FMS में last year 251 seats थी. From that 101 seats was reserved for the reserved category students. So to get eligible in this college, you need to write down the CAT examination. If you are general category student, then you will require minimum 98 to 99 percentile in CAT to get eligible for this college. And for the reserved category student, it ranges from 90 percentile and above.
So the most important thing about the FMS is you need to fill up the application form to get eligible for the second round. If we consider the other top IIMs, so for that you need not to fill up any application form. On the basis of your CAT score only, you will get the shortlist call for the PI and VAT round. But for the FMS, you need to fill up the separate application form and the last date of application for this is 14th of February 2024. So if you are eligible, you can apply for this college before 14th of February.
Now coming to the shortlisting criteria. So किसी भी IIM या B स्कूल में इंटर करने के लिए 3 स्टेजेस होती हैं, जिसमें फर्स्ट स्टेज है शॉर्टलिस्टिंग. इफ़ यू गेट शॉर्टलिस्ट इन दिस प्रोसेस मीन्स you will get an interview call from that college. So for FMS, they consider the CAT examination score only to shortlist the candidates, and this is the best part of FMS if you have low academics. एंड इन द CAT स्कोर ऑल्सो वो तीनों सेक्शन के लिए अलग अलग वेटेज रहेगा. VARC सेक्शन के लिए 40% वेटेज, DILR सेक्शन के लिए 30% एंड फॉर कॉन्स इट इज़ 30%. And if you are a female candidate, then you will have a 5% additional marks, as this college gives a 5% weightage to gender diversity. Then the list of the top candidates is done on the basis of the CAT score and the gender diversity, and for this list there is no sectional cutoff and there is no academic cutoff also. So अगर आपको FMS के इंटरव्यू के लिए सिलेक्ट होना है, then only thing you need is good CAT score. Now coming to the selection criteria, मीन्स अगर आपने FMS का इंटरव्यू अटेंड कर लिया है, then what is the last process which select you in this college? So during interview 3 processes रहेंगे. First is SOP discussion, second is extempore and third is personal interview. Now coming to the very first process is SOP discussion. So whenever you are applying for the FMS, at that time आपको separately एक form fill up करना होता है rather than the CAT examination form. So in that you need to fill up the SOP, statement of purpose. मीन्स आपको ये कॉलेज में एडमिशन क्यों लेना है. सो इन द इंटरव्यू इसमें एक अलग सा सेक्शन होता है जिसमें ये डिस्कशन रहेगा दैट आपको ये कॉलेज क्यों चाहिए. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एन SOP डिस्कशन. कमिंग टू द सेकेंड प्रोसेस इज एक्सटेम्परी. मीन्स आपको एक टॉपिक दिया जाता है इंटरव्यू में एंड यू नीड टू स्पीक ऑन दैट टॉपिक फॉर फ्यू मिनट्स. कमिंग टू द थर्ड प्रोसेस इज पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, जिसमें वो आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन योर एकेडमिक, और इट माइट बी एनीथिंग लाइक व्हाई यू वांट टू डू MBA एंड सो मेनी. सो ये जो 3 प्रोसेसेस रहेगी दोज विल बी ऑन द डे ऑफ इंटरव्यू. इसके अलावा भी फाइनल सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया में आपके CAT का स्कोर, योर 10th एंड 12th स्कोर एंड जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी, इसका भी वेटेज रहेगा. सो योर कैट स्कोर विल हैव अ 50% वेटेज एंड अगर आपको 10th में 60% एंड 75% के बीच में मार्क्स है देन यू विल गेट द 5 पॉइंट्स आउट ऑफ 10 और अगर आपको 75% के ऊपर मार्क्स है देन यू विल गेट 10 आउट ऑफ 10 पॉइंट्स मीन्स ओवरऑल योर 10 स्कोर विल हैव 10% वेटेज। सिमिलरली फॉर द 12th ऑल्सो आपको 60 to 75% के बीच में अगर मार्क्स है सो यू विल गेट 5 पॉइंट्स आउट ऑफ 10 और अगर आपके 5% के ऊपर है देन आपको 10 आउट ऑफ 10 पॉइंट मिलते हैं मीन्स ओवरऑल योर 12 स्कोर विल हैव 10% वेटेज। सो ओवरऑल इंटरव्यू विल हैव 30% वेटेज जिसमें 10% वेटेज जो रहेगा वो स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पस को रहेगा, 5% वेटेज विल बी गिवन ऑफ एक्सटेम्परी एंड 15% वेटेज इज गिवन फॉर योर पर्सनल इंटरव्यू। इसके अलावा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जेंडर डाइवर्सिटी means for female candidates extra 5 points are given means overall your CAT score will have 50% weightage, your 10th and 12th score will have 20% weightage and your personal interview will have 30% weightage.
If we talk about the placements for the FMS, then the top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 68.16 lakhs per annum. Top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 51.67 lakhs per annum and top 50% candidates have the average salary package of 43.03 lakhs per annum. And the highest domestic salary offered with this college, it is nearly up to 1.23 crore. If we consider it domain wise, then for the sales and marketing, the top recruiters for FMS are Airtel, Cipla, Dabur, HUL, Amazon, Dr. Reddy's, ITC, Nestle, and there are so many companies. For IT, analytics and operations, the top recruiters for FMS are Amazon, American Express, EXL, Jio Platforms, Microsoft, Paytm, Wipro, Flipkart, and there are so many companies. For the finance domain, the top recruiters of FMS are American Express, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, DBS Bank, NatWest, Piramal, and there are so many companies. If we consider the consulting, general management and strategy domain, then the top recruiters for FMS are Accenture, Strategy, Adani, Boston Consulting Group, Everest Group, GEP Consulting, Piramal, and there are so many companies are over there. And if we consider the overall top recruiters for FMS, then those are Accenture Strategy, Adani, Airtel, Amazon, American Express, Asian Paints, BCG, Dabur, Flipkart, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IDFC First Bank, Jio, ITC, Mars, then Infosys, Cognizant, TAS, and there are so many companies are over there. So if you have a good CAT score with the decent performance in the interview, on that basis you can easily make the admission in FMS. So this is all about the Faculty of Management Studies Delhi. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.